Hello students, now in this video we are going to see what is vector multiplications. So how we can multiply two different vectors. There is another type of multiplication of vectors is possible, and that is called vector product or cross product. So we will see why it is called as cross product. So it is given by P cross Q. So this is denoted by cross. So we will call this as cross product. Now when we do this multiplication, we will get another vector. Let's say R bar. So this is called vector product because the resultant value, the multiplication is equal to vector. That's why we call this as vector product or cross product because it is denoted by cross symbol. As we defined the definition of dot product earlier, we can define the definition of cross product. Suppose R bar is equal to P bar cross Q bar. Then it is given by magnitude of P into magnitude of Q, then sine of theta, like we have cos theta in dot product, but here this is scalar, but we have defined that vector product is vector. So there is another vector called n cap, that is called normal vector. This normal vector is perpendicular to both vector P and vector Q. Now we will see some properties of vector product or characteristics of vector product. The first property is the vector product is not commutative. That is, this is not equal to Q bar cross P bar. So first characteristics is the vector product does not obey commutative law of multiplication. That is, P bar cross Q bar is not equal to Q bar cross P bar. Their magnitude is same, but they are in opposite direction. Suppose P cross Q is equal to R bar and Q cross P is equal to S bar. Then R bar is equal to minus S bar. That is, the magnitudes will be the same, but the direction is in opposite direction. That's why there is negative sign. Vector product do obey distributive property. So what does this mean? Here A bar cross, here is another vector B bar plus C bar. Now this is exactly equal to the separate cross product and then their additions. Instead of addition of B and C doing first, we can multiply A bar cross B bar and A bar cross C bar separately and then add them together. So this is called distributive property. Now we will see the magnitude of P bar cross Q bar. So as we have defined it, PQ sine theta, and n cap will be equal to 1 because the magnitude of n cap is 1 because it is unit vector. So this is equal to PQ sine theta. Now at theta equal to 0, that is both vectors are parallel to each other, then at theta equal to 0 degree, this product will be equal to 0 because sine theta will be 0. Similarly, this is the case for 180 degree also. When the vectors are anti-parallel, that is they are in opposite directions, we will get sine 180, which is 0. So again this product will become 0. Now if theta is equal to 90 degree, that is vectors are perpendicular to each other, then sine theta, that is sine 90, will be equal to 1. Then this product is maximum. This product is maximum and its magnitude is equal to PQ. So for unit vectors, we can say if the unit vectors are same, then their cross product will be 0. That is I cap cross I cap equal to j cap cross j cap equal to k cap cross k cap equal to 0. Now if there are two parallel unit vectors, then the product is equal to third unit vector, that is I cap into j cap is equal to k cap, where it is cross product. Similarly, if we are going from j to I, then j cap cross I cap is equal to minus k cap. So it will have minus sign, because we can say this is p cross q, then this is q cross p, so one minus sign will be there. Suppose there are three vectors, if I go from I to j, I will get k and the sign will be positive. Similarly I go from j to k, that is j cross k, I will get I cap and sign will be positive. So we will get positive signs for each cross product here, that is I cross j is equal to k, j cross k is equal to I, and k cross I is equal to j. If we go in reverse order, that is j cross I, then we will get k but in negative sign. Similarly, if I go from I to k, I will get j but with negative sign. Similarly, if I go from k to j, then I will get minus I cap.